Hi. In this recording, I will demonstrate that if there is an item, which I see here M0061, and that item has a product-specific batch attribute, and in this, the attribute, let's assume the attribute is concentration, and we want the concentration, the min value should be 10, max should be 30, and the target is 25. And if let's say the concentration is something 15 or 20, and in that case, we want to block the inventory and scrap it. So how we can do that? So let's see that. So if I go back and then go to the batches, here I see a batch 01, and if I go to the on hand for that batch has 100 available. So let's see the warehouse and then see the batch. So the warehouse is 31, batch is 01, we have 100. Okay, so if I go back to this again, and then if I try to see the inventory batch attributes, here I see the value is 15, so which is not acceptable. So how we can fix that? So if I go to the inventory blocking, if I go here, I don't see anything here. So this is one way I can go to inventory blocking from the batch. The other way is I can go to the inventory management, and then I can go to the periodic task, and then I can go to the inventory blocking. So that's another navigation. So we see nothing here. So let's go here and then create a new one. So system edit the item, and then here I need to choose the warehouse, which is 31 in my case, and the batch is copied here, and the quantity is 1, but I don't want the quantity should be 1. I want the entire on hand. So whatever available on this batch, I want to block it. So I need to know the on hand of this. That's taking a while, so let's see. Let's wait, so it should come back. Okay, so if I click on the on hand of this, and I'm able to see like the same warehouse, the batch, and the physical is 100. So I close this, and then I click this, and then make it 100 here. And then I need to save it. So there is an inventory blocking for this. So if I go to the on hand one more time, and then I go to the overview, here I will be able to see like this like 100 liters of this item of this batch. It's not available physical, but it's reserved, and it's reserved for like a QA testing or whatever we want to do. Okay, so that's something we learned how we can create or how we can block the inventory. So we did that. Okay, so that's one thing. And the next is like if we need to scrap this, so how we can do that. So in order to do that, we need to go to the inventory management again one more time. So let's go there, inventory management. And here I can create the inventory adjustment, or I can create a movement journal. The difference is like in the movement journal, I will be having the ability to select the offset account. So let's do the inventory adjustment. It will be quick. And I'm creating this and go to new, and I'm selecting the warehouse 31. I'm saying, okay, here I need to select the item. Item, I know the item is M0061. So let's select that item. And then if I go to the inventory dimensions, I can select a batch here. And the quantity which I want is, I want to reduce it. So I know the value is 100 liters, 100 liters. So let's make it and then post it. Let's do it. So there is some issues with this. Let's see. Batch this cannot be picked. So maybe we need to make it 0 here. Quantity is 0. Okay, so why I was having that trouble? So the reason is if I refresh this, so there is an inventory blocking. So I will not be able to process anything. So if I need to scrap it, so the first step is I need to delete this blocking. Let's do this. And then I go to this one more time and then post it. I say, okay. So the journal is posted. So if I go back to my same item one more time, so if I go to this item, and then I go to this item, and then if I go to the on-hand inventory from here, and then if I try to add the batch here, so the batch is here. So I'm not able to see that batch here, 0. So if I click on the dimensions, and then if I say select this as well, so I will be able to see that batch as well. So let's select this close transactions. If I go to the batches, I see this batch, and I go to the transactions. So this is purchased, and the inventory adjustment is 100. Everything is done. And what I'm trying to show you, like if I go to the on hand, if somebody going here, they should be able to see what's happened to that. So I think I need to unselect that. So here we go. So here you see like the batch is 01 and we have nothing here. So what I did in this video, so I have one item, and that item is having batch attributes, and that batch attribute is not acceptable. And then we need to block the inventory for further transactions like to be consumed in the production or adding in a sales order. So we want to stop that. So then I create it. So if I go to the batches here again one more time, and if this is the batch, and if I go to the batch attributes, so the value was 15, which is not acceptable, and then I created the inventory blocking, and then I did some more analysis, and then I came to the conclusion that I need to scrap it. So then I was not able to scrap it because there was some inventory blocking. So you're not able to perform any transactions, even the inventory transactions, as we seen. So then I need to delete the inventory blocking, and then I created a inventory adjustment journal and I posted it. And then by doing that, this batch is having nothing. So inventory is removed and scrapped. That's it. Thank you. Thanks for watching.